Hi everybody! Thank you for joining me tonight and thank you for coming to our party this week. I hope you have learned a lot and have been having some fun and are really excited about Norwex. So we've been talking all week about all of our cloths and our mop and all of our amazing stuff, but how do we take care of them? And one of my personal favorite products is our Norwex laundry detergent. So what I love about our laundry detergent is it's free of all dyes, fragrances, phosphates, phthalates, and all those things that I don't know how to pronounce. But it's all chemical free and enzyme based, so it's not going to cause any allergic reactions in you or your loved ones. That is a big plus, and I wish I would have known about Norwex when I had babies instead of washing everything separate with the expensive baby laundry detergent. This would have been a miracle for me. But anyway, you live, you learn. So another great thing about our detergent is that you don't have to use that much. If you have a new washer and new washer, you don't have to use very much at all. I think it's up to 100 loads for a high efficiency washer. Now I have an ancient washer and dryer. They're almost 20 years old. So the other thing that I like about our detergent is it's very versatile. It's not just for high efficiency machines. You can use it for an old machine like mine and just use a little bit more, or you can use it on the new machine. The other great thing, there's so many great things about this, is I posted earlier about all the different uses for our laundry detergent. I use this for almost everything. My main cleaning agent, I use it to mop my floors. I use it to actually clean my carpets. And what's great about this is, since there are no chemicals or no bleach or anything like that, it's not going to discolor anything that you use it on. Which other things, if they have chlorine or any other kind of chemical, it could actually bleach whatever you're using. So this is safe to use on your laundry, safe to use on all of our Norwex cloths and fabric, and you can use it for so much more. So this is a great buy. To go along with that, we've been talking a lot about our dryer sheets. Dryer sheets, how they are toxic. They're not good for us. They're not good for our skin. They're not good for our fabric and our clothes because it actually coats all of your laundry and leaves a film on it. And it's just filled with chemicals. It's not good. So the other answer that we have to that problem is our laundry balls. It's our fluff and tumble laundry balls. You use all three at the same time. I actually use about 5 at a time because they last for about 1,000 dry cycles. But when I figured I was about done with my first set, they still looked pretty good. So I kept a couple of them and I just kept them in with the rest. And now I have a lot of balls going on in my dryer. But what's great about that is that they fluff and tumble, they separate your laundry while you're drying, so it actually reduces your drying time. Like I said before, my dryer's ancient, and it took noticeably 10 minutes off my dry time. So this is great. You save time, you save money, so you don't have to go out and get those dryer sheets or fabric softener. And you can make it a game for your kids to hunt down the balls when you're trying to fold laundry if they get stuck in there. So this is a wonderful product and they last for a long time. Now the other thing for your dryer, and these, I've had these for a while, these are our dryer balls and usually they're green. I just use them so much. This is what they look like now. But like I said, I have about 5 balls going on in my dryer at any time. And these are really nice because you can actually steam your laundry if you want to get rid of any kind of wrinkles or just want to freshen it up a little bit. You can put a little bit of water in here and it'll actually kind of steam your laundry for you in the dry cycle. Which I forgot one thing with these fluff and tumble balls. Some people really enjoy that smell from the dryer sheets and they would like their laundry to have a smell. So the great news about that is you can use it with our essential oils. This is probably all, yeah, that's all going to be backwards. But we do have a few essential oils in our catalog, and then any kind of as long as you're using a good brand of essential oil, you can actually put that on your wool balls, and then they will scent your laundry for you in the last few minutes of just an air dry cycle. So you can really determine what your laundry, your linens, anything in your house smells like with these. So moving on to some specific problems. So the Sportzyme, I've been reading up on what actually makes enzymes work, why our products work better than chemicals. Enzymes are designed for specific things. So in the Sportzyme, the enzyme-driven product here, it is actually targeting organic residues here from the bottle, from shoes, equipment bags, shoulder bags, knee pads. So what that means is this is specifically designed for sweat, uniforms, smelly workout clothes, anything that has a lot of sweat or activity going on and is still smelly, like shoes. You just spray this in there and that will help your problem. And you're not masking it with another fragrance or chemical. So this is another one of our great laundry products. Now, a laundry line would not be complete without a stain remover, and I can't tell you how many bottles of this I've gone through, because I have a 7-year-old and a 4-year-old, and I don't know if any food actually gets in their mouth. It's all over their clothes. So our stain remover is great. This again isn't going to bleach any of your fabric or anything, because there's no chlorine, no bleach. It's all enzyme based, and this is another one of our great laundry products, the stain remover. Okay, so this is kind of laundry related. This is our lint mitt, and this is really great for pet owners as well. So instead of using that the roller thing with all the sticky sheets, you can use this instead. It's got 2 sides, and you just go against your, I don't have any pet hair on me at the moment, but this is great for lint, pet, fuzz, and it's also, of course, washable, dryable, and oh, see, look, can you see? I got some off there. I didn't even know that was on there. So this is another great product, and it's a really good gift too if you're looking for a gift for someone. And then finally, or 2 last things, speaking of detergent, this is our liquid detergent. I don't actually use this because I have an older machine, but for those of you that have a HE machine, this is amazing. It's only like 1 or 2 pumps for a whole load. So this will save you even more money. I don't even know how long the bottle will last. I think it says, okay, 215 loads for just this bottle. I have customers that were ordering laundry detergent once a month, and once this came out, I don't hear from them for 2 to 3 months. So this will last for a long time. That's our liquid laundry detergent, and it was just revamped by our new facility in Texas here in the US that now makes all of our consumable products, and it's even better now. So this is a great thing to try, and it comes with a pump when you order it. The last thing I wanted to talk about, and this is kind of a sneak peek. I'm sure you probably have already heard about it. It won't be available until October, but I did get a small sample. This is our microfiber cleaner. Now, if you are a Norwex fan and you already have cloths, you may have experienced some kind of smelly odor if you use them a lot and you've used them for a long time. And we've always said just boil those cloths with a little bit of detergent, give them a reboot, and that'll work. But now Norwex has gotten rid of that problem. You don't even have to boil them anymore. So once this is available in October, this can be used in the laundry room. You can soak your cloths in it. It just gets everything out of there, which like we were talking about earlier about enzymes attacking certain things. If you're getting a smell in your Norwex and you are using our detergent, it's mineral deposits that are getting backed up in there. And that's why you have to deep clean them every once in a while. So this will be out in October, and that will solve that problem, and I'm super excited about it. It works great. So anyway, What we always say is with your Norwex cloths and all of your attachments, you wash them once a week and then deep clean them every 3 months, and they will last you for at least 2 years, if not more. I have some that are really old. And I wanted to thank you guys so much for joining me, and remember to comment and like on the video so you can be entered in the drawing. And I hope you all have a great night, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.